Lot number 102. It's a 2021 Chevy Colorado. This one has collision damage. This one was involved in an accident. It's got damage to the passenger side. Almost every panel has damage. It looks like the front axle is also broken or bent. This vehicle only has 3,200 original miles. It's like a brand new car. 3,200 miles. Probably never had its first oil change. It's been sitting around for a little over a year. It's got a 2.5 liter engine with 3,200 miles. Engine sounds good. I've had it running now for about 45 minutes and it's not overheated. It's idle smooth, it revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages and the AC blows cold. Let me show you the miles. It's got 3,200 original miles. Put it in gear here. Engages forward, engages reverse, but that front axle is stuck. It appears to be broken. AC is blowing ice cold. Now I'll give you a quick walk around and show you what I see. Again, it's like a new car. It doesn't look like there was any damage to the front, radiator support, the engine compartment, the hood, the grill, all look good. The headlights are dull, and the front corner of the bumper is torn, but it doesn't appear to have really bent much in the radiator support. I mean, the AC is blowing cold and it's not leaking any coolant, so the radiator and AC condenser are okay. Passenger side fender has a lot of damage. The axle appears to be broken. Passenger door is dented. The passenger rear door is also dented. The body back here has a small dent right there. And then the bed has a lot of damage on the passenger side. It's missing the tail light. The bumper shows a little damage as well. Maybe it's just the plastic trim. And the tailgate looks like it was spared. Tailgate looks like there's no damage on it. And it opens, but you can't open it because it rubs to the metal there. But it does open and close as it should. And it looks nice and straight. But the metal's right in the way there. So the driver's side tail light is also cracked. And then from here on, it looks good. Driver's side is nice and straight. It's got a little glue residue from decals that have been removed, but the paint looks good. Again, this looks like it's glue residue. I think the door may be okay. The whole driver's side may be good. It's got all matching steel wheels and the tires are dry rotted. You can see all the cracks right there. It's been sitting around over a year and maybe longer. And the tires are now dry rotted. So let me show you the interior. Again, it's like a new car. The interior is, I didn't see any other damage than what the accident caused. It's got vinyl gray seats. They appear to be brand new. The headliner is damaged from the curtain airbags being deployed. So passenger and driver side curtain airbags deployed. It also had the steering wheel airbag deploy. No footboard. Here's the driver's seat. It looks new. It's got 3,200 miles. Center console armrest shows a little wear. Passenger seat looks good. All the door panels are in place. They all appear to be in good shape. There's a little panel there that's poking up, but it does not appear to be broken. All the gauges appear to be working. Service restraint system. Let's see what else it says. I guess it's just service restraint system. It has the traction control light is on and the check engine light is on. And the airbags, 3 airbags, both curtains and steering wheel airbag deployed. All right, I'll show you the passenger side. $3,200 miles, 2.5 liter. Here's the passenger door. Still opens and closes. It's bumping into the fender. It all looks good. The mirror's broken on the passenger side. And I mean, I don't know how to show you. You must have some damage underneath that, but I can't really get to it. Here's the rear door. Looks good. Rubber mat on the floor looks new. The only damage in here is caused from the accident. All right, so there it is. It's the Body Man Special. It's got 3,200 miles. It's a 2021 Chevy Colorado. Comes with a clean title. It's lot number 102. Good luck.